Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to yet another vlog. So this vlog is again about my new XUV 500 W9 automatic, which I bought in February of 2020, a month before the lockdown started, and I drove this around for 1 month within the city. Did not have any chance to take it out of the city for long drives. I have done a video recently when I took it out for a long drive, and about the fuel economy that this provides or you get out of it, which is you can see that video in the link in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below and ask them, and I will try to answer them. So in this video, it is all about this XUV W9 automatic variant that I have bought. And in this video we are going to be talking about the dealership, how was my experience with the dealership, and also about how they cheated me is what I feel, and this car dealership fraud thing that I came across, and I wanted you all to be aware about this as well. So I'm making this video specifically for this dealership fraud that many of these dealerships might commit about when they are selling these cars to customers. So I want you guys to be aware because I've experienced this. So guys, before we go ahead with this video, let me tell you I have no problems with whatsoever with the Mahindra car. It's not about the car itself, but about the dealership who sold this car to me in Bangalore. It's one of the very big dealerships of Mahindra in Bangalore, and what is that has happened with me, I want to explain and let you all guys know, so that you do not you take care of this and do not feel cheated, or you give a chance to the dealer to cheat you guys or commit a fraud, so that you are aware and take precautionary measures when you are buying a car. I'm not talking about only Mahindra, but any car dealership around within India or outside India, anywhere in the world. This can happen to anyone and everyone. So like I was talking about, this is not about the car itself, but about dealership and how they can cheat you or commit a fraud while selling you these cars. And these cars you buy, probably people buy once in a lifetime a car by spending around 20 lakhs. So let me tell you, this costed me around 20 lakhs. I paid the 20 lakhs of my hard-earned money on this car, but now that I'm feeling cheated, I think I should make this video and let you all guys know. I want you guys to all share it, and also be aware of this whenever you are buying a car. More importantly, please share this video so that even the Mahindra and other companies know that dealerships are committing such fraud with customers, which hamper their the credibility of the company because of the dealers. Because of the dealers, the company should not lose their credibility. This is the dealer committing fraud and not the company. So in this XUV that I have bought, if you see, let me just go around and show you. See, there's no physical damage to the car that you can notice. So let me just show you even the interiors of the car. You will see no physical damage to the car. So it is all perfectly fine. The engine is also fine. Everything is working fine. But I will talk about what is wrong with the car and let you know more of this. So you can see the interior of the car is also fine. Everything is fine for now. There are some niggles in the car, which is expected because it's a Mahindra, but I was aware of all this before buying the car, and I was okay with accepting these niggles because I wanted this SUV and not an MPV. I wanted a SUV with 7-seater capability, and this is the only SUV with 7-seater capability that was available in India. When I planned, I looked at a lot of cars, but then finalized this one because this is the right car for 7 people and also an SUV. The only SUV in India which I think has 7-seater capability and also from an Indian manufacturer. I wanted to support the Make in India also, so I bought this car. So now let's get to the point what happened. So when I bought this car in February of 2020, it was sold to me as a car which is brand new without any defects. The PDI was done and it said all the check marks were done and it said everything was okay with the car. So, and also you know that Mahindra has this With You Hamesha app where you get all the service history of the car. I did not have this access till about 6 months because of the pandemic that hit the world, and I did not have access to that, and I got access to that app around probably 6 months later on. So now, from I think around a month ago, about the access was given to me, and in that I found that my car was already painted and a denting was done at the rear panel of this car. So I'm not sure if they mean rear panel meaning this part of the car, or is it this or this. So, and the showroom guys are not ready to reveal what has happened and what is the job that they have carried out, what is the paint job and denting job that they have carried out, but there's only a small description in the service history of the car that one day before I took delivery of this car, it was in the service center and it has been repainted. So they sold me a car saying that there was no defects and nothing was touched and it was a brand new car and delivered to me, but then it shows that service history shows that this car was painted before they delivered it to me. One day before it was delivered to me, they have painted this car. So I wanted to know from you guys that have you ever experienced this, and is it legal for a car dealership to sell a car as a new one once they have painted it? And without informing a customer, they have painted it. Even I've inquired about this a couple of times because I wanted to be sure that I get a brand new car and not with any defects and repainted and stuff, because it was at that time of the year, because it was the stock clearance kind of a phase in January, February. I thought so there might be something, and I inquired couple of times before I took delivery of this car, and they promised me that there was nothing wrong with the car. But after I got access to this With You Hamesha app from Mahindra, that is when I got to know this car has been repainted. So the rear panels have been repainted, and when I went to the showroom back and told about this, that I see a service history of this car being repainted one day before delivery. So what was the answer? Do you know that? They gave an answer that nothing was wrong with the car, they have not done anything. And once I showed it in the app, they came up with a reason that it is their standard SOP, meaning standard operating procedure, that before delivering a car they can repaint it, they can fix anything that they want and deliver it to the customer without even telling them that they are doing this. And they did the same thing with me and delivered this car to me as a brand new one without any defects, they said, and with PDI checks all being okay, which is not right, which is not at all right, because we customers pay our hard-earned money to buy a car worth 20 lakhs and the dealership sells you a car which they have repainted. So, and also they are not ready to divulge the details of what exactly has been painted and which is that rear panel that has been painted. Till today it's been around 2 months. I've waited for 2 months. I've been patient. I've spoken to the showroom, and I've also written emails and finally written email to the Mahindra customer care as well, but have not got a good reply from them. They're saying that they're ready to give 3M coating for this as a free because of this, and they want to keep me happy as a customer, which is not right. When they have repainted this car and just by giving a 3M coating for this, they say that they'll be able to satisfy me. Do you think as a customer you will be satisfied if somebody repaints your car before they gave it to you and say it is a new car and then they do a 3M coating? Will you be satisfied? Let me know guys if I am wrong in feeling that I have been cheated while buying this car. And guys, I didn't want to post this on social media. I wanted to sort this out with the showroom itself, but seeing their response and how they're taking this forward, I feel that I should bring it up in the social media platform and let everybody know how a dealership, one of the biggest dealership of Mahindra in Bangalore, treats a customer who buys a car worth 20 lakhs. So, and I want you guys to see, and probably I would say not go to that dealership at all. Do not go to that dealership at all. I don't want to name that dealership, but I think you guys will already know that they are one of the biggest dealerships in Bangalore. I'm not sure anywhere else if they're present, but I think in Karnataka also they are one of the biggest dealerships of Mahindra. And I would say stay away from them, because if they treat customers like this is not the right way. When you buy 20 lakhs worth a car and they repaint it like this, and you cannot find out what has been repainted. They've done the job really well, but there is one thing that I can show you. There is one spot wherein I can show you that it has been repainted. If you can see this, there's bubble marks. I think this is not a kind of job that the factory does. I think this is an outside job. So I am thinking this has been repainted, and probably this panel and this bumper here also has been repainted and given to me. That is what is my feeling is. So they want to do a 3M coating and fix it and say all is done, this is your car and you can go about it. So after paying 20 lakhs, I do not feel that I should agree to it, and so I am thinking of taking this forward in the consumer forum. What do you guys think? Should I take it forward in a consumer forum, and would I get a good response in the consumer forum, and I would get justice for what fraud the dealership has committed here? I wanted you guys to know about this fraud, and also tell me your responses about what you think I should be doing next. So guys, this is all about that. I will be posting more videos on this for sure, and how I go about it and what happens in the future with this car and everything, and about this car and how I drive and how it feels in the long drive. The car has no issues, but I have the problem with the dealership. So I'll keep you posted on further steps that I take on getting myself justice for what fraud the dealership has committed. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to share this video, not for me but for any customer should know before buying any car how they should check, and they should be aware of such frauds committed by dealerships, so that they are aware and they can take necessary action and thoroughly check their car. Probably I also missed checking my car thoroughly before I took delivery, but it's a very small mark from which I cannot get to know. Luckily, because of the app, I got to know that there is something that has been done to the car without informing me before delivery, and I'm trying to get that rectified by going to the Judiciary of India, the Consumer Forum. So this is one place I think I will get justice, but what you guys think, let me know, and I'll be posting videos of updates on this car in my next vlogs. So do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel, and also please do share this video with everyone you know and everyone who wants to buy a car and wants to be careful about the frauds being committed by dealership when they sell these cars.